How to turn on Do Not Disturb mode on iOS 17. So to do that is all you have to do is go first here to your settings area and then scroll down up until you see the general here. This one, tap on general and go here to your software update. Now you have to make sure that you have updated your application to follow through this, but there's not really much of difference on the iOS 17 and the iOS 16. Now, let's just go back here. To be able to turn on your Do Not Disturb is here on your upper right. You have to swipe down here just like this in this motion. So swipe down and you will go here to your control panel, right? Now, the next thing that you want to do is you will see this option rather. And if you click on this, you will have these given options such as Do Not Disturb, Personal, Chill, Work, and Sleep. So since you want to turn on your Do Not Disturb mode, just tap on the Do Not Disturb here. And now it's actually set on. So that means you have successfully turned on your Do Not Disturb mode. So let's say you want to add a Do Not Disturb mode, or you want to set a specific time on Do Not Disturb mode. So what you can do is to go here to your settings, Do Not Disturb, and then it will go here to your focus status. Now go to focus status here and tap on Do Not Disturb, and then just scroll a little bit up until you see set a schedule, and then you have to set a schedule for dates and time up until when will it start and when will it end, and then turn on the schedule. And basically that's it. That is how you turn on your Do Not Disturb mode on iOS 17, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.